Hi, I'm Sandy, here with Sherri. We're HomeShow Garden Pros, and we are talking about the right tools for the big projects.
Right, and Corona has made this so easy for us. So they have a whole line of pruners that are fabulous, right? We know we love our Corona tools and our pruners. But little jobs, you can get away with doing something like this. Sometimes we have a bigger branch that we want to go out and cut. And so the right tool is going to make it easier. This one right here is how it all started for Corona. 90 years ago in the orange groves of California, they created this tool to help you get up into the tree, and it's got a swivel head, so it turns whatever angle you need so you don't have to get up on the ladder. And it cuts with ease. It glides right through those blades. So that one goes up to 1 1/4 inch.
Okay.
This one right here, this lopper goes 1 3/4 inch.
Okay.
And it just so easy. It's got a great handle on it.
Feels good.
Nice and sturdy. But if you have a bigger job where you need to go through something maybe 3 inches, you could go with this razor tooth saw. And this has got a very sharp blade here. It's razor tooth. It's got a nice handle, so even you and I can handle this.
And it's not too heavy, but it's sturdy.
Yeah, very nice. And it folds nicely if you're on the go. You need to keep it in your camper.
Yeah, but it's safe on our shelves too.
Absolutely. So that's for bigger jobs. But let's just show the audience how we can cut with ease.
Yay, all by ourselves.
Yes. The blade just cuts right through there. The handle is very comfortable.
It is
and
not
padded.
going anywhere. Yeah.
So you and I can get out and do our own cleanup, right?
Right. We can do our own thing out in the yard. So thank you, Corona Tools. And I'm Sandy. I've been here with Sherri. This is HomeShow Garden Pros. Check us out on HomeShowGardenPros.com.
Or listen to us on Saturday mornings from 7 to 9 on 610 a.m.
Happy gardening.